Hello guys, kamusta? Ito ang pangalawang araw ko dito sa Alishan. Tara, samahan niyo akong gumala. Hindi lahat ng journey kailangan mong sakyan. Minsan, kailangan mo lang lakarin. Today, we're here in Alishan National Forest area, but not to ride the famous train. No rush, no schedule, just me walking slowly along the Poetry Road. Habang naglalakad ako dito, bawat hakbang parang may kasamang kwento. The trees are tall, quiet, ancient, parang they've seen centuries of sunrises. The air is cold, fresh, and every inhale feels like healing. Alishan is known for its sacred trees and sunrise sea of clouds. But today, I chose something simpler, to walk, to listen, to wait. Sa Poetry Road, may mga verses carved on wood. Chinese na mga tula about time, longing, nature. Kahit hindi ko maintindihan lahat ng characters, ramdam ko because nature has its own language. And somehow, naiintindihan siya ng puso. And now, nandito tayo sa viewing deck. Look at that view. Layers of mountains fading into soft mist. At sa ganitong oras, para naman itong painting na sinisinagan ng araw. They say this place is magical, and I think magic here is not loud. Hindi ito fireworks, hindi rin ito dramatic, it's subtle, it's quiet. It's the feeling na parang may niyayakap ang kaluluwa mo. But somewhere down there, the Alishan Forest Railway will arrive. But today, I won't ride. I'll just watch. There's something beautiful about waiting for something you're not chasing. Habang nakatayo ako dito, I imagine the old days. When this railway was built during the Japanese era, used to carry timber from this giant forest. Now, it carries stories, tourists, dreamers, and maybe pieces of hope. Listen, the faint sound, parang heartbeat ng bundok. The train slowly appears from the trees, red against the green forest. Ang ganda, parang eksena sa isang lumang pelikula. For a moment, I fantasize, what if this place is enchanted? What if the fog is a doorway? What if every arriving train carries not just passengers, but alternate versions of ourselves? The brave one, the healed one, the peaceful one. People step down, smiling, taking photos, and here I am, just watching. Not every moment kailangan masalihan. Sometimes, mas magandang pagmasdan, because when you observe, quietly, you notice the details. The way the mist dances around the trees, the way strangers laugh like they know each other for years. The way the sunlight gently breaks through the branches as I walk away, I realize something. Alishan is not just a destination, it's a reminder na hindi mo kailangan laging sumakay sa mabilis na takbo ng buhay. You can pause, you can walk slowly, you can choose stillness. The trees here are over 1,000 years old. Imagine that they survive storms, earthquakes, seasons changing, and yet they remain standing. Siguro ganun din tayo. We bend, we break a little, but we grow. And sometimes growth looks like this. Walking alone on a wooden path, watching a train you decide not to ride, and feeling completely at peace. As the train leaves, the sound fades into silence again, and the forest returns to its natural rhythm. For me, maybe magic isn't about escaping reality. Maybe magic is choosing to be present in it. Here in Elysian, I didn't chase the train, I chased the feeling. And I found it in the quiet steps, in the mountain air, in the simple act of waiting. Hindi lahat ng journey kailangan sakyan. Minsan talaga kailangan mong lakarin. See you on the next slow adventure. Bye!